Hi friends, welcome to our channel Steps or Success. In this video, we have started about section C's question of income from capital gain. It is very important for examination purpose because it is section C's question. So this is one of the different types of question how to solve this question. So let's start the video. So first we can what are the given information and data in this question. Young D. Rahing submits the following particulars of his income. Income from business computed already 2,70,000. He is the owner of two residential house. He is sold one of them costing 3,51,000 in 2005-6 for rupees 10,74,000 in March 2019 and paid brokerage 24,000. It is one data. Sales of house property, right? Second, he had shares of the face value of rupees 9 lakh of a limited company unlisted, which were purchased of rupees 14 lakh 40,000 in May 2014. He sold them for rupees 18 lakh 48,000 on 1/10/2018 and paid brokerage 2% of the face value of shares, right? The fourth information, on 30th November 2018, he sold his personal car for rupees 10,000 rupees 1 lakh. It is personal, not computed in the capital gain. Next, he sold a listed debenture of A Company Limited on 10th August 2018 for rupees 4 lakh, which were purchased by him rupees 3,50,000 on 1/1/2017. The last, he sold or ancestral ornaments on 2nd July 2018 for 43,20,000, which had his grandfather cost of rupees 15,000 in 1927 and whose fair market value, it is very important, on 1/4/2001 was 15 lakh. The cost of inflation index 11 financial 2001 200, 2005 6 117, 2014 15 240, 2018 19 280. Compute taxable capital gain and also total income for the assessment year 2019-20. This is 2013 previous question paper. So we can start how to solve this question. There are four things to sell by the MD Rahim. So it is our questions. You can must write first question, then you can easily understand how to make solution, right? I already making this is the format of the income from capital gain. This is section C is long question, so you can must prepare in this way. It is a format. So income, computation of income from capital gain of Mr. Rahim. So first in this question, the given information, what sale proceeds of house 10,74,000. We can write in this column 10,74,000. So also question given less brokerage rate 24,000. So sale proceeds minus brokerage 10,74,000 minus 24,000. How much remaining amount? 10,50,000. It is net consideration of house. Next, less indexed cost of acquisition. So indexed cost of acquisition how much? So 3,51,000 purchase of property, right? 3,51,000 into in 2018-19 cost of inflation how much? 280 in the purchase of the year how much cost of inflation index? 117. So we can make the sum. So we can make 3,51,000 into 280 on 117. How much remaining amount? So 3 51,000 into 280 on 117. So 8,40,000 is indexed cost of acquisition. 8,40,000. So we can minus in this net consideration 10,50,000. 2,10,000. It is our long-term capital gain of the house property. So it is our one completed sale proceeds of house. The next one is sale proceeds of shares. You can must see in the question. Sale proceeds of shares. How much given? Sale proceeds of shares 18,48,000. We can write in this column 18,48,000. So also what say in question? Brokerage are paid on the basis of face value. How much given in question? 9 lakh into the brokerage paid in 2% of the face value, means how much? 18,000. 18,000. So deducted sale proceeds minus brokerage. How much remaining? 18,30,000. 18,30,000. Next, indexed cost of acquisition of the sale proceeds of shares, right? How much? We can purchase shares. How much? 14,40,000. 14,40,000. 14,40,000 into 280 is our cost of inflation of 2018-19, and 210 is the purchase of the cost of inflation index. In this, in which year they can purchase the share, that inflation is 210. So 14,40,000 into 280 upon 210. How much? 16,80,000. 16,80,000. So deducted so a long-term capital shares is remaining 1,50,000. So we can complete to the next one. You can see in the question. So how much given in sale proceeds of debenture? In question 4 lakh, right? So the debenture we can not make the indexed cost of acquisition. We can make directly purchase of debenture, means cost of debenture. He can, Mr. Rahim, purchase that amount, we can deducted in the sale proceeds. Purchase of debenture how much? 3,50,000. So 4 lakh minus 3,50,000 how much? 50,000 is remaining amount of sale proceeds of debenture. It is a long-term capital of debenture, right? The last one is sale proceeds of ornaments. How much given in question? Sale proceeds of ornaments 43,20,000. 43,20,000. So the brokerage is not given in the question. We can directly make indexed cost of acquisition. So right, in the first we can make one working note, because they can given the fair market value related to the ornaments, right? Purchase of ornaments, right? The cost of the ornaments how much? His father purchased in 15,000 rupees, and also it make fair market value how much? 15 lakh, right? So cost of acquisition 15,000 or fair market value 15 lakh given in the question. Whichever is higher, 15 lakh is higher. So it is the amount of acquisition. We can take 15 lakh into 280 upon 100. 100 is the inflation index of purchase of the year. The remaining amount 15 lakh into 280 on 142 lakh. 42 lakh. So you can make less 43 lakh 20,000 minus 42 lakh. 1 lakh 20 is long term capital gain of ornaments or gold. So this is 4 item we can make capital gain. So lastly we can make the total long term capital gain. Total long term capital gain. First one is 2,10,000 plus 1,50,000 and 50,000, 1,20,000, right? 2,10,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 1,20,000. Total 5,30,000. So we can also add business income. Given in the question, already computed business income. How much? Given 2,70,000. 2,70,000. So total 5,30,000 plus 2,70,000 how much? 70, 30, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 12 lakh, 8 lakh total. 8 lakh it is outer column. So it is our total gross income of capital gain. So this is the solution for this question. So you can make proper practice, then you can understand the question how to make solution in the examination. So I hope understand this question. I can make another video, another 2 videos for this same question and the different question of capital gain. So you have any doubts, please comment on comment box, share the videos of your friends and support our channel, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends.